Good morning, everyone. It's second class of biology, O levels 5090, chapter 1, part 2, specialized cells, tissue, and organs. Difference between eukaryote and prokaryote cells. This is a eukaryotic cell, and this is a prokaryotic cell. First of all, eukaryote cells can be unicellular or multicellular cell, but prokaryote are always unicellular cells. Eukaryote cells have cell wall present or absent, means plant cells or animal cells are the example of eukaryote cells. But in prokaryote cell wall is generally present, means all the prokaryote cells have cell wall. In eukaryote cell, nucleus is always present, in which DNA is also present. But in prokaryote, nucleus is absent. Instead of this, they possesses a nucleoid region in the cell. This one is the nucleoid region. DNA is in the linear form, but in prokaryote cell, the DNA is in circular form. Mitochondria are generally present in eukaryotic cells, but in prokaryote, mitochondria are absent. Specialized cells. Specialized cells are those which have developed certain characteristics in order to perform particular functions. These differences are controlled by genes in the nucleus. Cells specialize by undergoing differentiation. This is the process by which cells develop the structure and characteristics needed to be able to carry out their functions. Root hair cell. This is the diagram of root hair cell. Root hair cells are adapted to absorb water and mineral ions from the soil. It means their main function is the absorption of water and mineral ions. Root hair cells increases surface area of cell to ensure the maximum absorption of water and mineral ions. Walls are thin so that water can flow from them quickly. No chloroplast present in them. We can see that their surface area is also increased by this long tail. Red blood cells. Main function is to transport oxygen to all parts of the body. Adaptations. Biconcave disc shape increases surface area for more diffusion of oxygen. Contains hemoglobin which combines with the oxygen to transport it. No nucleus present to make more space for oxygen to transport. As we can see, there is no nucleus present in this cell, so its area increases to carry more oxygen with it. The next cell is xylem vessel, which is only present in plant cells. Its main function is the conduction or transportation of water through the plant and provides structural support. There are some certain adaptations for this type of cell. There are no top and bottom walls between the xylem vessels. No top this one and no bottom this one walls in the xylem vessel. So there is a continuous column of water running through them. Means no hindrance in the flow of water. Cells are dead without organelles, means it does not contain any nucleus, any ribosomes, any vacuoles, nothing, or cytoplasm to allow free passage of water. Their walls became thickened with the substance called lignin. Therefore, supports the plant. This is the substance lignin, which helps to support the plant. It is a tough material, woody texture, you can say. Cells, tissues, and organs and organ systems. What are cells? We know that basic functional or structural units in a living organism is known as cell. Tissues. Group of cells of similar structure or same types working together to perform a same function is known as tissue. Organs made from different tissues working together to perform specific functions such as stomach, heart. Organ systems. Groups of organs with related functions working together to perform body functions, such as circulatory system. Here is the diagram which can help to understand this concept clearly. This is a cell and this is a tissue, heart muscle tissue. Organ level, it's a heart which is an organ system, circulatory system, and an organism. Magnification. Magnification is the process of enlarging the apparent size, not the physical size of something. Magnification is calculated by this formula. Magnification, image drawing size means which you have drawn and the actual size of the image. Remember, magnification does not have any unit. It is just written as x10 or x5000. Means it is magnified by 5000 times. Unit conversion. This is the important thing in magnification. What is this basically means? 1 millimeter is equal to 1000 micrometer and 1 centimeter is equal to 10,000 micrometers. This usually comes up in questions where you have two different units and you need to ensure that you convert them both into one same unit before proceeding with the calculation. Remember this table. Magnification. Here is the example so that you can understand clearly how to do this question. The actual thickness of the leaf below is 2000 micrometer, but the image size of the leaf in the diagram is 50 millimeter. First of all, we have to convert this magnification into one unit. Here we will convert it into millimeters. You can also convert this 50 millimeter into micrometer. Remember, 1 millimeter is equal to 1000 micrometer. So this one actual thickness will be converted into millimeters by 2000 divided by 1000. It's 2 millimeter. So the actual thickness of the leaf is 2 millimeter and the drying thickness is 50 millimeter. Here now we can use the formula of magnification. Image size over actual size, which is 50 over 2 is equal to 25. So the magnification is x25, means 25 times enlarged, known units.